Okay, today we're going to take a look at the problem called the double spin. A giant wheel is divided into 5 equal sections labeled -2, -1, 0, 1, and 3. At the double spin, players spin the wheel, shown at the right, 2 times. The sum of their spins determines whether they win. Work with your team to determine the probabilities of different outcomes by answering the questions below. So I want you to go ahead and skip part A. So let's go to B. Which sum do you think will be most probable? So make a prediction right now. Doesn't have to be right or wrong. Just make a prediction. C says, create a probability table that shows all possible outcomes for the spins. So last week we made a probability table. So let's go ahead and make a probability table to see the outcomes. Okay, so here's the probability table. Let me explain what I did. So on the first spin, I could get a -2, a 1, a 0, a -1, or a 3. On the second spin, I could get the same outcomes, a -2, a 1, a 0, a -1, or a 3. So what we're going to do is find the sum of each of these inside the box. So the sum of -2 and -2 is going to be -4. -2 plus 1 is going to be -1. -2 plus 0 is -2. -2 plus -1 is -3. And -2 plus +3 is 1. Go ahead and pause, complete the chart on your own, and then check back to see if your answer is correct. Okay, so here's the table all completed. Part D says, if Tabitha could choose the winning sum for the double spin game, what sum would you advise her to choose? And what is the probability of getting that sum? So go ahead and answer those 2 questions.